Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back y'all. Let's get right into this video because I see tons of comments out there on social media that y'all are tired of kind of blending your natural hair to match your leave out, and I got the solution for you from Klaiyi Hair. This is their new upgraded V-part wig. This is in Kinky Straight, you guys. They have upgraded the V-part hairline to ensure maximum comfort and also just to blend better with your natural hair. They've also upgraded and changed out the two clips right at the top, like right here, so that it's a lot lighter, no more tugging, pulling, or anything on your hair. You can just wear it all day and be comfortable, but it's also still very secure. And speaking of security, they've added a drawstring that we all love to give a nice snug fit, y'all. This is going to make sure that it fits all head sizes, so you just adjust it to your liking and then you just tuck it away in the back, which I'll show you guys really quickly in just a sec. But y'all, this came out so good and so freaking natural. Let me just show you exactly what I did. It's so easy. You don't think too much about it. Just keep it very simple. That's the whole point of wearing a V-part wig, for it to be natural, easy, fast, and simple. Okay, so first off, I'm just separating my leave out. I'm doing a tiny bit of leave out because I'm gonna have to put a little bit of heat on it. I'm basically not doing a lot of heat on my natural hair lately, so I just put that away, and then I'm doing another little part and I'm braiding this section down because I need an anchor braid. I have fine 4C hair, so adding an anchor braid is kind of a must for me. I don't do it every time, but when I got a little extra time, like an extra 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Again, because my hair is fine, this is gonna give those clips something to attach to so that it's nice and secure. Okay, so once I've got my hair all situated, this did not take long. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop in my V part, you guys. Do all the combs, the clips, get it situated, and then I'm going to adjust the drawstring in the back, pull it, and then tuck it under. If you don't have a V-part in your stash right now, I highly recommend you getting this one because this is the easiest installation, like popping your wig on, that you will ever do in your freaking life. Okay, so next, y'all, let's go ahead and flat iron this hair. This unit is pretty full, so for me, I wanted to go ahead and make it a little flatter. Of course, the choice is up to you. You know what I mean? It's all about personal preference. So all I did was just going with my Amika Superfruit Serum first, just a little bit of that, and then I'm hitting the base, so the scalp basically, yeah, with my hot comb, and then I'm going in with my flat iron. With this straightener being nice and wide, it doesn't take me long to flat iron all this hair. I know it may seem like a lot, but it really isn't, you guys. Probably about 10 minutes, and that's like just one pass per section. Definitely use a little bit of heat protectant because I want to protect the hair, and I just want it to last as long as possible. So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. It came out so smooth, so just it's like the perfect texture. It definitely mimics natural hair type for hair to a T. You still get that texture in there, but it's not, you know what I mean, but it's still straight. It's not silky. It's going to just blend with your natural hair, whether you want to leave out a leave out, or if you want to do something small like I did. This is going to be your best bet. I think the girls, if you're having a problem with just blending your leave out is damaged from sew-ins and yada yada yada, it's mainly because of the texture. You know what I mean? Like, having to flat iron your natural hair every single day is going to cause some heat damage. Why not just get something like a V-part like this that is closest to your, or basically your natural hair texture? You know, you flat iron it once a week and you're good to go. And look how good this freaking looks, you guys. So just the FYI, I am at home doing this. It's not rainy this day, but it's a little bit of an overcast. But towards the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys how this hair looks because the sun decided to come out, and I put some curls and stuff in it too, so you can see how they fell and how they held up. Make sure you check the description box. I'll have this exact link to this unit down below, as well as any other products that I used today. Also, y'all, Klaiyi Hair is having their 8th anniversary happening from 9/11 to 9/13, and for the biggest discount, which is 25% off, make sure you use my code J. I'll put it right here on the screen. Different things will be happening within this time, and also included are gifts with every order. So again, this is going to be your best time to purchase. 25% off is huge, you guys. Make sure you check the description box. Again, I'll have everything down there as well as the code so that you can get the best deal possible on this unit. And y'all, just to break up this one length, I do recommend adding just a few layers. I love a sleek straight look, but I kind of wanted to break up just, you know, it all being just 24 inches, making it look just a little bit more natural. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm also just cleaning up the ends. I do like me a good blunt cut on my unit. So that's what I'm doing, y'all. And that's basically it for this first look. So this is a really sleek, chic, just pop on and go type of unit, you guys, and you didn't have to deal with any lace. And let's not forget, if you don't have a lot of time and you really just looking for something even faster than what I just did, just pop on a headband, take 2 seconds to lay your edges if you choose to, and you out the door. So I did this style real quickly on a whim, just because I want to show you guys that you could just pull this hair up if that is your style for the day. If I were really to do it, and this is like my hair for the day, and I'm not just showing you just to show you, I would probably do a little bit more leave out, but I just wanted to show you that it's very simple to do different hairstyles with this. I just popped in a little clip in the back and I am still good to go. Just want to show you that you do have options with this unit. And then of course, what y'all always love to see is how well this holds up as far as curling. I have worked with Kinky Straight hair plenty of times, and if you have an event to go to and you're looking for tighter curls than what I'm doing, I highly recommend you setting the hair beforehand, like the night before, doing your flexi rods, and you will be good to go. But for me, I just wanted a little wave and just to show you guys how it will hold up the rest of the day. So I just used my Tresemme hairspray and my wand curler, and look how cute they came out. And towards the end of this video, like right now, I'm gonna show you guys how it looked after a full day. After I done picked up Isaiah, we did homework and I was like done. I was ready to take a shower and my day was over with right here. It still looks good. I still have a little bit of wave, not too tight of a curl, but I'm still cute, and that's all that matters, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check the description box. I will have everything down there for you guys. The tools that I use, the direct link to this unit that you are going to fall in love with. Let me know if you have any questions, comments. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.